Readiness, readiness, and free. Okay, so I'm Brian, who I'll talk about the products, look at the process, how do you prepare for export, and then the promotion, and then packaging. Promotion, I'm talking about finding buyer. A lot of people talk about export. And most of the time, they are really challenge in finding buyer. Well, I think the real challenge is getting ready for the business. If you get ready, you know what to do, you find buyer. Yes, know what to do, find buyer. It's really getting ready. In fact, the product for me is more important. But when it's not finding buyer, getting the product. So, for example, Madam says this share product. You are not doing for purity, right? Okay, this is the way you package it. How about if I need it in bulk? Yes, maybe what is it? In like 10 kg. Yes, yes. Okay, take that. You can get it. So for that one, that might not require the kind of packaging for the because a number of people might want it to be able to use it to repackage.
Yes, of course.
Now, we did a survey 2 years ago, now 3 years, and we're trying to know what are the challenges of export in Nigeria. And this is what we observed. We observed that one of the biggest challenges exporters complain about is market access. 17% is market access. 13%, and we're asking actually what kind of service we require from bank, right? Talk about market access, export finance, product transfer, whatever we talk about, documentation issues, speed of service delivery, relationship management, trade information, seminars for example, which is what Wema is doing, bank charges and foreign exchange. Then we now ask them what are the major challenges they face in exporting in Nigeria? What are the biggest challenges they face in export from Nigeria? Port logistics was indicated, but these are the solved. And this was solved before Buhari left. Because this solved was just waiting. So this issue has been significantly reduced. Not completely eliminated, but I think we know about the key one delay we're having at the port of it. Access to finance is another challenge which is valid. Custom and other agencies of government. Exchange rate. Exchange is a lot better now. The rate is a lot higher.
Yes, now.
Why are you laughing?
Yes.
What's the Are you here for your boss? I think I said the rate is better. Because we are here to discuss it. So if you are complaining about rate, because you are important.
Yes.
You are not important, you can't complain about it. You have to rate paid up. I'm telling you the rate is the rate. If you are responsible, you are happy the rate is paid up. Because you make more. So people complain are the important. So you are here for the so please don't complain about it. The rate is good. Exchange rate, poor infrastructure, access to certification, indifference, high cost, bank charges. So now I said all this to say that there are issues with exports in Nigeria, no doubt. But the fact still remains that also people are exporting. And it's important to lay that foundation because so that you don't say, okay, there is this issue, there is this challenge. Of course, there's no business without challenge in Nigeria. Look, in fact, for you to be an entrepreneur in Nigeria, you better must be strong because of the challenges of our country generally.
It is survival of the fittest.
In addition, now you now have exporting, which now have some layers of complexity rather. But the fact still remains that people are exporting. Now, the fact that there are challenges is the reason why you now need a lot of information to be able to do it successfully, which is why